See the only reason Ned Nwoko dey very stingy and greedy to Regina Daniels. I go tell you for this video. This man give you $100,000. Only you come online, you post am. Now you are the man they get issues. You see, say the man never any day mention that money. He never even talk about what he don't do for you before. Men not they operate like that. But you see, woman, the day you and woman on a relationship get issue, she go forget every sacrifice what you don't do for her before. Now that small way she do for you, she will capitalize on. I do this one for her. I do this one for her. They only remember what they don't do for you, not what you do for them. The only $50,000 when you credit this person during election, you see, say you don't come online, they tell the full word. Now, I gave you $50,000 for same man we credit 200K does. We will let you post. 50K does not be half of $100,000. What if now from the 100K when he credits you, now then you send her 50K back? You understand all these things now? So you see this narrative where you and your family, they push, say, the man not really get money like that. He's broke. No reasonable Nigerian go believe that kind of narrative. On senator and broke no align. Nobody go, no sensible person go believe that. So if you really want support, empathy, sympathy from Nigerians, because now the reason why they post all these things because you want the support of Nigerians to help you from the hands of this man. Just talk the way the thing happen, explain your own fault, so that one won't really get the mind to support you, go support you. But you see this narrative of you not really to get money, I mean they help them, help who? Nigeria senator and broke, the truth is not aligned. Even other country senator, if you believe that, but a senator in Nigeria, now you they say he not to really get money. This man has money, no one give you. He no one give you. The only reason this man they very greedy to you and stingy is that any man where they in his 70s, when no man it already built the life, or 60s, when already built the life, and a young girl of 18 is coming to the life of this person, he not get as the person dumb rich or even if he still love you, but subconsciously he knows that this person will not come from for love, and for that reason he must be protective of his wealth and everything when he get. So he not going to give you anyhow. Now why you see say when he never marry you, they see say the man get money, but when you go enter, you not going to see money. You want to any money? We any money now? I'm not going to see him. No, so when they say he's stingy, was I'm even the one giving him. Yes, he gets no one give you because. Ned Nwoko, not be man when you come online talk things like this. Then people will just believe this man is a senator. He get the connection, he get the influence, he get the power. And apart from that one, he's still na lawyer with it. So this guy na career wise na lawyer. Even na side say be seen. So anything you and this man they do, that man they 10 times ahead of you. Not be all this lawyer. Not be. No, carry go police station. No, don't carry go police station. Go be people. Better son, senior advocate of Nigeria. Now you won't wake up. Now money when I give you, go shock you say you don't write that. He put the date. The reason why I give you that money. Oh, cool. This man get money is loaded. He no one give you. You know, so now just the reason be that your bills are there like this now. Anything make me want marry a woman of 70 years. Now love carry me go that place. Make we really be honest. Now love carry me go marry a woman of 60, 70 years. Not be love. Now escape route. Now be the only thing we go feel help me. Normal level. Like that. So, and that woman, now what did happen to many of our boys now? One boy book session with me, Nigerian boy with the US. They follow me, they talk. You know this one we say they go meet woman online, we both woman online, they go marry for Nigeria, they go. Many of our youth are suffering. 60 years old woman, 70 years old woman, because they won't come out from Nigeria, they try to get a visa because for those things. Many of all these women, they owe debt for their country. And when they help through marriage, package all these boys come, they marry them, they'll carry them go abroad. Now all these boys will call they work to pay the debt of these women. That one another topic we will see talk about fully to liberate our youth from that kind of mentality, slave mentality. Work. Waiting woman won't give you where you not feel use your hand work for. Waiting man won't give you where you not feel you. And Regina, that is so pay me because this kind of person will say you did very, very bright. Start from bed. Very bright. And many Nigerians don't agree one support because the father is not in the picture. It shows how the way the OT, the black come, the man. Even if your father not get money, men not they downplay the role of man for family. Your father and fit not really too guide like that. But if the man is present, he not go day the way this thing they dey like this. I tell you. Because that man for don't find one way handle this whole thing one-on-one, man to man with Ned aside money. We be say everything go see happen peacefully. A family and family go try settle this thing amicably on a marriage issue. And for you when they talk say the man they wrong to arrest Regina Daniels brothers and sisters. You don't know what you they talk. What the Bible talk about marriage? Let nobody put asunder. That's including family members. So if a family member won't put asunder for their marriage, they go face the consequences. If you say a poor man, because at the end of the day, all of them enjoy the fruit of the labor. All of them enjoy the fruit. Then, when the portion they go, everybody go face up. Everybody go push. So as long as you won't put asunder for Ned family, he will arrest you. I mean, not arrest me. Now advice I will give you. Bro, I don't know what happened to me. I've been sick. Only this period, I get headache, I get cough, I get catarrh. Everything just they happen to me this period, I know you all know. See on my vein, on my head a bush, as in a day very down. Maybe because I dey expect new blessings. Maybe after this phase, something massive is coming. God bless you. Geh Geh.